Good afternoon, dear children. This is your English teacher. As you know that we have already completed a unit 4 poem crying, okay? And I have already explained you this question answers of this poem, okay? Now today I am going to repeat the question answers again so that you can remind all the question answers, okay? So let's see. So dear children, first of all, we have some word meaning. That means we have given some words and their meanings. So let's see. First one is soaked. SOAKED. Soaked means completely wet. Okay. What is the meaning of soaked? It is meaning of soaked is completely wet. Okay. Now we have the next word, that is shower. SHOWER, shower. Shower means bath in which water is sprayed from above, okay, from the shore, okay. So that is known as the shower. Then next is wept. WEPT, wept means shed tears or cried. What is meant by wept? Wept means shed tears or cried. Then the next word is splash. What is meant by splash? Splash means to throw water. To throw water is the meaning of splash. SPLASH, splash. Okay. Now let's see the question and answers. Okay. Now the first question is, according to the poet, should you cry a little or should you cry a lot? Okay. What is according to the poet? Should you cry a little or should you cry a lot? So the answer is, according to the poet, crying little is of no use. Okay. There is no use of crying little. So you must cry till your pillow is soaked. How you will cry? You have to cry. You must cry till your pillow is soaked. So this is the answer. Okay. Now next question is, what can you do after crying a lot? That means after crying is done, what you have to do? What should you do? So the answer is, after crying a lot, you can jump in the shower and play. Okay. What you should do? After crying a lot, you can jump in the shower and play. So this is the answer of question number 2. What can you do after crying a lot? Now let's see the true or false. That means whether this sentence is right or wrong. Okay. So first sentence is, the poet says you must not cry much. Okay. So this sentence is false because poet is saying that you have to cry a lot. You must cry a lot. So that means the first sentence is false. Now the next sentence, the poet says that you should cry till your pillow is soaked. So yes, this sentence is true. Now the next sentence, the poet says that after crying, you should open the window and laugh so that people will see that you are happy. So yes, this is also the true sentence. Now the last one, the poet says that you should open the window and show people that you are crying. So this sentence is false because what poet is saying? He's saying that you should open the window and show people that you are laughing instead of crying. That means this sentence is false. Now let's see this question number 3. Here, read the first two lines of the poem. Is the mood, okay? That means first two, what is, which kind of mood? Saying the first two lines of the poem. Is it happy? Is it sad? Is it angry? Is it jealous? Or is it upset? So the word which is written in red is the correct answer. That means the first two lines indicated that the poet's mood was sad. Okay, so sad will be the correct answer. Now next, in the last few lines, the mood of the poet has changed. What is it now? Okay, after sadness, the poet mood was changed. So what kind of mood that was? So the mood was very happy, angry, cheerful, sad, jealous. Okay, very happy, angry, cheerful, sad, or jealous. So the answer is happy and cheerful. Happy and cheerful is the answer. Understood? Now here let's say the opposite words. That means antonyms. Okay. So the first word is crying. So what is the opposite of crying? Laughing. Okay. The opposite of crying is laughing. Then what is the opposite of sad? So opposite of sad is happy. Okay. Now opposite of opposite of sorrow is joy. It is also mean, joy means happy and sorrow means sadness. Okay. Now what is the opposite of sadness now? That is happiness. Okay. Now what is the opposite of open? So the opposite of open is shut. S-H-U-T, shut. Now opposite of last. Opposite of last is first. Okay. So that means opposite of crying is laughing. Opposite of sad is happy. Opposite of sorrow is joy. Opposite of sadness is happiness. Opposite of open is shut. And the opposite of last is first. Okay. Now here make words ending with ness. For example, happiness. Okay. So here we have given some examples, that is politeness, kindness, sweetness, awareness. In this type, what you have to just do, you have to just make the sentences. That means you have to just make that word using ness. For example, cleanliness. Okay, you can also write the cleanliness. Okay, so in this type you have to fill in these blanks. Now in question number 5, which are the things that make you happy? In what ways you in what ways do you show your happiness? Okay, so the answer is when you get the chocolates, when you get the toys, okay, when you get love, when you have mom, when you have food, when you have friends, when you get candies. So in such kind of situation you will feel happy. Okay, if you have any other situation which makes you happy, you can write down. Okay, so dear children, this is all about the question answer part of the poem crying. Okay, I will also provide you the notes regarding to this lesson. Okay, I hope you understand this lesson. If you have any problem regarding to this lesson, you can ask me. So till then, it's goodbye from my side. Thank you and have a nice day.